Hello guys, welcome to Visa Pathfinders. My name is Peter. Showing on your screen is a WhatsApp message or message that has been flying around, at least in all the WhatsApp messages, WhatsApp group I belong to in the UK. Honestly, we all wish that this is true, but I hope someone is not going to make a dependent application based on this WhatsApp message. Okay, and this is just for you to be aware of what the government is still saying. Okay, so this is the immigration rules. This is the link being shared around. Okay, and I'm hoping that for you to see. This was published in February 2016 and updated on the 11th of April 2024, which is nice, which is fine. It's okay. Now, people are posting this around to say that once you have a skilled worker visa, if you look at a skilled worker route and all that, the first thing they said is that a dependent partner and dependent children can apply on this route. They now listed the job code for the skilled worker. Okay, so for the purpose of this appendix, health and care salary job means a job in one of the following. So they listed some of these jobs, and alongside they listed care workers and home carers and senior care workers. Where the applicant, they said they can bring dependent partner where the applicant is sponsored, employed, or engaged. Now, option A by one of the following. So NHS Trust, all the big guys in Wales, in Scotland, in Northern Ireland, and all that. Now, in B, or if they are employed to provide to support the provision of regulated activities as prescribed in Schedule 1 to the Health and Social Care Act and all that, and who is also employed or engaged by an institution or organization registered with the CQC, that is in England. Okay, if they have different regulator in Wales and they have to state it in Northern Ireland and in Scotland. All right. Now, I think there is also, I won't go into all this. Now, this looks nice. People, we all wish that is true. But if you then scroll down to this point, dependent of a skilled worker, to see what is particularly who can bring their dependent. Now let's show that. I won't like to bore you with all this information, but this is what I want to show you under the relationship. Now look at this. Relationship requirement for a dependent partner of a skilled worker. That is SW 29.1. The applicant must be a partner of a person. So every time you see this capital P, that is the lead applicant where one of the following applies. The lead applicant has permission on the skilled worker route. P is at the same time applying for entry clearance or permission on the skilled worker route, or P is settled or has become a British citizen and all that. Now look at this subsection 29.1a. The lead applicant, capital P now, must not have or be applying for clearance or permission as a skilled worker sponsored for a job in this shortage occupation code 6135 care workers and home carers, or 6136 senior carers, or under the shortage occupation classification code of 2010 6145, which is still the same, care workers and home carers, or 6146 senior carer. Unless, now look at this clause, unless the lead applicant, capital P, was or is being granted entry clearance or permission as a skilled worker sponsored in the shortage occupation code, either a 2010 classification or 2020 classification 6145 care workers and home carers, or this one under the rules in force before March 11th 2024. And since the grant of entry clearance or permission in all those regulated activity, P has continuously had permission as a skilled worker sponsored in one of those occupation codes still, and they have not, misused the opportunity. Okay, so this is what people fail to do. They don't come down to read in details some of the specific information when it comes to UK immigration. So the first part was just clarifying. Anytime in this update, if you hear the appendix referring to health and care worker visa. This is who they are referring to, so that they don't have to keep talking about that over and over. But when it comes to specific rules about dependent, you should come down to what the rule has to say about dependent of a skilled worker. And I hope that this video has bring clarity to that. Please share this video with people so that people don't make a mistake and they are refused a visa and all that. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.